Hi, Yvonne Musso with ATG USA to talk about the CTC Tools CIM Manager Suite. We have the CIM Manager Suite and the CIM Project Suite plugin for Civil 3D provided by CTC Software. Today I will focus on Syn Manager Suite, ideal and a must for template creation and maintenance. Remember the time. There is no time but the time to create a plan set quickly, working long hours, making it all happen on the fly, and yet not getting enough. The plan set was completed and delivered, but came back with lots of red marks and comments, and every page in that set looked different. For example, text size, line weights, formats, etc. Yes, meeting a deadline is critical. However, if this is all that is done and deliver a set of plans that is hard to read, not clear, confusing, has no identity, eventually it will fail. It happens too often. We know a template helps us reduce our work time. So we have a new design project, and there are many settings in the drawing page to consider, like units, size, dimension, styles, layer, blocks, text, line types, and line weights. Setting these settings is not easy or practical every time you start a new design drawing file. The Civil 3D platform, as good as it is, creating a template is very time consuming. CTC Tools Syn Managers Suite plugin has addressed this and made creating and maintaining the template quick and stress-free. Everything is transparent, meaning you know quickly what styles, layer, text, etc. are used and how. It helps to see clearly what you have and what you need to make your team work together to produce a well-organized, clear, concise set of plans quickly and efficiently and set forth your identity. Half the battle won. Let's take a look. The Syn Managers Suite and Syn Project Suite are added to the ribbon when installed. Click on the Syn Managers Suite. We have 4 panels. CTC Support for support help and tutorials. The General Panel, Layer Boss Panel, and Survey Template Manager Panel. Let's start with the General Panel. Line Type Manager is great. It makes creating line type quickly and you get instant feedback visually. No more going into the linen file, making your edits, and then back to the drawing, load the line type, and see if it works. Here I have a few line types. Click on Line Manager. In the dialog box, I have Menu Application, New, Open, Save, and Save As. Option Help, Video and Support, and About. Helpful and straightforward. I will click on Import. Select the line types in the drawing. Click on OK. I want it relative to the line. Click on OK. Here they are. Their names, description, and definition are loaded. And as you click on them one by one, below you have a preview. This is a great way to gather all the line types you want and add it to one lin file. And from that, you can create new ones. I want to create a new one since these are denoted as existing. For example, I'd like to make electrical line type a proposed line type. Click on the existing electrical line type and then click on Copy. In the Line Type Editor dialog box, the name type in utility underscore cable dash propose. Description, just a couple of underscore lines, space the cap E, or write it out. Under Components, click on the third component and delete. Continue until you have one line. Click on that one line and increase it to 1. Look below in the preview space, and here it is. On the right, I have it at a 20 scale, which shows me what the line type looks at that scale. Change it to a 10 scale, and this is how it looks at that scale. Instant feedback, quick and easy. Click on OK. Click on Add to Drawing. Click on OK. Click on Save to save to a lin file and find where to save the file. Close out of the dialog box, select one of the lines, and in the Property dialog box, under Line Type, find and select the new line type. And here it is. Template Tracker helps you to identify what is in the drawing or template file and what is used or referenced. Let's take a look. Click on Template Tracker. Again, helpful and straightforward. In Objects, the drop-down arrow, you have Layers, Text, Dimensions, and Multi-Leaders. Click on Layers, and to the right, in Reference, you'll see what object styles are referencing the layer. The same for text, dimensions, and multi-leaders. Care to make edits? Click on Swap, Edit, or Purge, and it will open up a dialog box with a list of what is available. Again, quick, easy, straightforward. The Layer Boss panel has tools to help with creating new, making edits, cleanup, and maintenance of a template file. The Export Object Layers, Drawing Layers, and for Survey, the Export Descriptive Keys set and Figure Database will all export to an Excel file format. This is great because now it's out there and we have an Excel document of what exists in the template file. Make your edits using the power of Excel makes this easy and quick. Share your documents with the team leads and CAD managers to decide what is needed per design requirements and departments. After all the changes are done, it will sync with Autodesk. Click on Create and Edit Drawing Layers to import, browse for the Excel file, and click on Next. It will give you a visual report of what you have selected to import. Click on OK, and we're done. Nice. This works the same for all of the Create Edit tools. When creating a new template, click on the Application menu or the big C. Select New. I will start with Open with No Template Imperial. You can choose any of the template files. The most favorable order of importing from a drawing, a template file, a template from out of the box, or an old template that has most of what you want in it, and or creating new objects is to do the basic AutoCAD objects first. Here's a workflow to follow. To import, start with the line type, plot style, blocks, followed by text, multi-leaders, and dimension, then the C3D objects and labels styles, and for survey, the descriptive key sets and figure database. When finished, test the file and edit as you go. Then set up your default preferences. Great, right? Okay, now it's your turn. Explore and see what works for you. Thank you from all of us at ATG USA.